Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of healthy breakfasts that are not only delicious, but also energizing. A great way to start your day is with a colorful veggie omelette. Begin by whisking together a couple of eggs in a bowl, adding a splash of milk for creaminess. Next, heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and toss in your favorite chopped vegetables. Think bell peppers, spinach, and tomatoes. Salt them for a few minutes until they're tender and vibrant. Pour the egg mixture over the veggies, letting it cook until the edges start to set. Gently fold the omelette in half and let it cook for another minute. Serve it up with a side of whole grain toast and a sprinkle of fresh herbs for an extra flavor boost. This breakfast is packed with protein and nutrients to fuel your day. Thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to follow for more healthy cooking tips. Happy cooking!